Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to fix Android app cannot remove or uninstall error. So if you're trying to delete or uninstall any app from your Android phone but the app is not deleting or uninstalling, follow this step-by-step guide to easily learn how to uninstall this kind of apps from your Android phone. The first method is uninstall or delete the app from Settings app. So go to your Android phone settings, scroll down and search for apps. Open apps. Now tap on the search app icon and here search for the specific app. Which app is not uninstalling? Just tap on the app. And now from here, all you have to need just tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And hope from here you will be able to uninstall the app. And the second method is to uninstall this kind of app is you have to uninstall apps through the Google Play Store. So go ahead and launch Google Play Store and tap on this search box and search for the app which once you are in this specific app page, here you will see this uninstall option. So all you have to need, go ahead and uninstall the specific app from this Play Store option. And the last solution is you have to simply restart or reboot your Android phone. Once you successfully restart it, now go ahead and try to reinstall the app and hope any of this solution will fix the error. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.